Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a group on Facebook. To join group, all you have to do is look at the top at your Facebook account and you will find home, friends, and groups. Click in groups and you will be able to search for groups on the left hand side if you know the name of the group. If not, just go ahead and click discover more groups and it's going to start showing you some groups. It's going to have some suggestions and so forth. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, a popular group near me and join this one. You can always scroll down and explore different groups. And as well, you can always click in the upper right and you see all as well. So I'm going to join this one right here. Just simply click and join group. And as you can see, it shows on the left that I joined a group. And the group that you join will always show up on the left hand side, groups you've joined. And you can always click on the groups and you can see if you're in the group, who is in the group, and so forth, and see all the activities. Some groups require you to be approved by the group admin, and so you may have to wait to join that group, while some groups are open and you can just simply join and start interacting with the group. But that's it, guys.